This ebook is designed specially for railway and SSC steno exams. A lot of contractions and advanced physiographics are used for speedy writing. For the convenience of students, this ebook is designed on A4 sheets and it is printable. We highly recommend you practice it thoroughly. You can collect the ebook from the link given in the description box below. The minority institution decided to fill up the vacant post of principal of its school by giving in charge assignment of the said post to one Mrs. S. Tripathi, who admittedly was junior to Mr. A. K. Sharma. A dispute therefore arose as to whether it was within the authority of the minority institution to appoint a person of its choice as current charge holder of the office of principal, ignoring the seniority of the senior most teacher of the school. Challenge has been laid to the validity of circular dated 18/9/2007 issued by the Directorate of Public Instructions, Chandigarh, to all the district education officers and communication dated 4/1/2008 of the Government of the Director. Public instructions on the ground that imposition of a condition that senior most teacher alone shall be allowed to be given current charge of the office of principal of the educational institution interferes with the constitutionally recognized freedom of the minority institution enshrined under Article 30 of the Constitution of India to administer its own institution. Learned Counsel for the Petitioner Society contended that the office of the principal of the school is the key post directly involved in the administration of minority educational institution, and therefore the right to choose the principal is inherently interlinked with the freedom of the minority institution to administer. The principal of the school is the key post, and holder of the post necessarily has to be a person of confidence and choice of the management, because his performance would be directly affecting the administration of the educational institution. There is no legislative device nor any rule framed by the rule-making authority imposing any such condition on the minority institution. Even then, it is argued the state and the director public instructions have been issuing executive instructions to impose such kind of restriction on the minority institution, completely taking away from their hands their right to choose as to who should be assigned the work as the principal of the educational institution. The restriction based on seniority has completely trammeled the institutional choice with regard to assignment on the post of principal of the institution, and thus causing serious inroad to fundamental rights guaranteed under Article 30 of the Constitution of India. In support of his submissions, Learned Counsel for the Petitioner Society placed reliance on the decision of the Supreme Court in the case of manager, Corporate Educational Agency versus James Matthew and others. AIR 2017 SC 3762. Learned Counsel for the State defending the two instructions issued by the government on 18/9/2007 and 4/1/2008 by the government seeks to justify by submitting that the government or its authorities have not interfered with the actual administration of the minority institution but only in public interest to ensure better administration of the educational institution which is receiving grant in aid from the government, have laid down a rule of universal application in all institutions that in charge assignment of the office of principal should be given only to a senior most teacher. It is submitted that this only seeks to regulate the right to administer minority institution rather than actually interfering with day-to-day administration of minority institution. He would further advance that the authority which has been relied upon by learned counsel for the petitioner does not prohibit the government which is providing finance to the institution to regulate by laying down appropriate rules affairs to the institution. According to him, this power of the state to lay down appropriate rules and regulations in the interest of the administration are not in the nature of any interference, therefore cannot be said to be violative of Article 30 of the Constitution of India. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner A.K. Sharma in WP number 3016 of 2004 supports the submission of learned counsel for the state by submitting that the petitioner, being the senior most teacher, it would be in the interest of institution that senior person should be given the charge of the office of principal, and if the state has issued such a circular, it does not in any manner restrict the fundamental rights to administer minority educational institution.
If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.